CBI now to probe hospital vandalism case as well. The CBI to take up this angle too. Of course, at this point, the CBI is probing only the angle of rape and murder of the young doctor. But after this vandalism that was reported outside and inside the RG Kar hospital just yesterday, the CBI now has decided to take this up to see if there were vested interests. There are people with malicious intent who tried to derail the doctors' protests in Kolkata. This is, of course, an angle that's being discussed widely, whether this was a deliberate attempt to derail the doctors' peaceful protests. They were carrying out peaceful protests. In fact, several organizations had pulled off or withdrawn their protests as well, considering they'd already met with the health minister. JP Nadda had given him a list of demands that they wanted to be fulfilled to ensure doctors' protection. It was agreed upon. At least JP Nadda said he's very closely going to look into it. Those assurances came in. We saw the IMA, part of that body, who had withdrawn protests as well. But in the last 24 hours, things have changed. A whole 360-degree turn. We see the protests were taken over by goons and malicious miscreants who barged into the RG Kar hospital, defaming the doctors' protests extensively. And now the doctors all the more adamant that they will continue with their agitation until they are safe. Rajesh Saha, our correspondent, who has been very closely tracking those developments, he's on the ground to bring us more on that. Rajesh, the CID now, who's released a video there showing a clear image of how the vandals created chaos and riots inside and outside the RG Kar hospital, derailing the peaceful protest of those doctors that was happening right outside RG Kar on the eve of Independence Day. Now we hear the CBI has taken over this angle of probe as well to see who's responsible for the angry mob to shove into the RG Kar hospital. Who are these people in the first place? Tell us more.
Well, CBI has been directed by the Kolkata High Court to visit that place of occurrence after the vandalism which happened on the night of 14th of August. And CBI has been directed to visit this place, and CBI will submit a detailed report regarding this vandalism at the near the crime scene before the Division Bench of Kolkata High Court on the next hearing on Wednesday. And this matter was mentioned before the Division Bench of Kolkata High Court by the petitioner advocates, and they drawn the attention of Chief Justice, saying that the hospital has been vandalized by the goons, by the miscreants on the night of 14th August. And then the Chief Justice asked the State Council to explain the matter. When he was asked, the State Council said that there are about 7,000 people gathered and vandalized the hospital. We are investigating the case. Police have arrested several people so far, and we have all the CCTV footages, and investigation is underway. But the Chief Justice of Kolkata High Court raised the question that 7,000 people gathered and you had no information. Police intelligence is absolutely failure because they had no information. This is not believable information. And then Kolkata High Court, the Division Bench of Chief Justice of Kolkata High Court has directed CBI to visit the place of occurrence and also the premises of RG Kar hospital. And then he has also directed CBI to submit a report before Kolkata High Court Division Bench on next Wednesday during the next hearing. Nabila.
All right. Thanks very much, Rajesh, for joining us on that. Well, this protest only gets now heated up. The case and its angles get murkier, considering there's a lot of talk that there's been vested interests by a bunch of people who deliberately tried to derail the doctors' agitation that was largely peaceful, but a bunch of men, angry mob, who acted like protesters who wanted to carry out a peaceful agitation, literally came in, turned angry, started chanting slogans saying, "We want justice," and barged into the RG Kar hospital, defaming the protests that were carried out by the doctors' fraternity.